Tiles have always been a staple in bathroom design, but the trend of using large format tiles for shower walls has taken this tradition to new, seamless heights. Using large format tiles for shower walls creates a seamless, expansive look with minimal grout lines, enhancing the aesthetic appeal and making cleaning easier. They offer a modern, luxurious feel to bathrooms, contributing to a spacious and cohesive design. The appeal of these tiles lies in their ability to create a visually expansive and uninterrupted surface, offering both aesthetic and practical benefits. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to achieve this sleek, modern look in your bathroom. The appeal of large format tiles in contemporary design cannot be overstated. These oversized tiles, often exceeding 12 inches in width or length, have become a popular choice for companies that render shower remodel services, architects, designers, and homeowners alike, seeking to imbue their spaces with a seamless and expansive look. Here are several reasons why large format tiles are so appealing. 1. Aesthetic elegance. Large format tiles offer a sleek and modern aesthetic that is hard to achieve with smaller tiles. The minimal grout lines create a smooth, continuous look that can make any space feel more luxurious and expansive. This uninterrupted flow of the tile surface enhances the visual appeal of floors and walls, making rooms appear larger and more open. 2. Versatility in design. These tiles are not limited to just floors or bathrooms. They can be used on walls, in outdoor spaces, and even on ceilings to create striking visual effects. Their versatility extends to a variety of textures, colors, and finishes, allowing for endless design possibilities. Whether you're aiming for a glossy, matte, or textured finish, there's a large format tile that can meet your design needs. 3. Low maintenance. One of the practical benefits of large format tiles is their ease of maintenance. Fewer grout lines mean there is less dirt and grime to clean, making these tiles a hygienic option for both residential and commercial spaces. This feature is particularly beneficial in areas prone to moisture and water exposure, such as bathrooms and kitchens, where cleanliness is paramount. 4. Durability. Large format tiles are typically made from materials like porcelain, which is known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. These characteristics make them an ideal choice for high-traffic areas. Their larger surface area also means that there are fewer points of weakness, such as grout joints, which can contribute to the longevity of the tile installation. 5. Seamless integration. For those looking to create a cohesive indoor-outdoor living space, large format tiles offer a seamless transition between interior and exterior spaces. By using the same or similar tiles in both areas, you can blur the lines between inside and outside, enhancing the sense of space and openness in your home. 6. Innovative installation possibilities. The size of large format tiles offers unique installation possibilities that are not feasible with smaller tiles. From expansive floor layouts to dramatic wall features, these tiles can be used to create patterns and layouts that draw the eye and add a touch of sophistication to any design project. 7. Energy efficiency. In some cases, the thermal mass of large format tiles can contribute to the energy efficiency of a space. They can help regulate indoor temperatures by absorbing heat during the day and releasing it slowly at night, which can be particularly beneficial in climates with significant temperature fluctuations. Choosing the right large format tiles for your space involves considering several factors to ensure that the final installation meets your aesthetic expectations, practical needs, and budget. Large format tiles can create a dramatic impact in any space, but selecting the perfect type requires thoughtful consideration of material, size, color, finish, and application. Material considerations. The material of your large format tiles will significantly influence their appearance, durability, and maintenance requirements. Porcelain and ceramic are the most popular choices due to their durability, wide range of finishes, and resistance to moisture and stains. Natural stone tiles, such as marble, granite, or limestone, offer unique beauty and texture, but may require more maintenance and sealing to preserve their appearance. Size and scale. The size of the tile should be in proportion to the size of your space. Large tiles in a small room can make the space feel even smaller, whereas the right size can enhance the room's dimensions. Consider the scale of the room and the visual impact you wish to achieve. Additionally, Think about the tile size for installation challenges, such as cutting and fitting tiles in complex layouts or around fixtures. Color and finish. Color and finish play a crucial role in achieving your desired look. Light colors can make a space feel larger and more open, while dark tiles can add depth and warmth. Matte finishes offer a more subtle, contemporary look, whereas glossy finishes reflect light, enhancing the brightness of the space. Textured finishes can add interest and grip, making them a good choice for floor tiles in wet areas. Slip resistance. For floor applications, especially in bathrooms or outdoor areas, slip resistance is an important safety factor. Look for tiles with a suitable slip resistance rating to ensure safety when the tiles are wet. Some large format tiles come with a textured surface to provide additional grip. Budget considerations. While large format tiles can be more expensive per square foot than smaller tiles, their larger size means fewer tiles are needed to cover the same area. However, consider the total cost, including installation, which may be higher due to the specialized skills required to install large tiles properly. Incorporating large format tiles on shower walls. Large format tiles offer a stylish, seamless look for shower walls, blending aesthetic appeal with practical benefits. With the right preparation, materials, and care, you can transform your shower space into a modern, luxurious retreat.